Some more tantalum. I don't think there's a lot of gold. There's a connector here, there's gold in here. There's probably gold pins here. Definitely gold pins in there. That's about it for that. Then there's the the controller ports. Last time I had one of these, actually that one that was working. I was able to have one that was working somewhat, so I was able to test it a little bit. I was able to sell these, I think, for about $5 profit. So I think I might have sold them for like $8 or something, free shipping. And there's definitely gold in here. Obviously some wire, but these are good to hold on to. So pretty much taking this apart. Let's get the fan out. What do I do with my screwdriver? There you go. This, I guess you can use this for other projects, let's say. If you want, or if that's something you want to do. There you go. Not sure. I guess you can use it as a PC fan of some sort or whatever, but I'm probably just going to scrap it. And a bunch of metal. So that's pretty much what's in one of these. So I'm going to continue with the video shortly with the value of all of this. eBay versus scrap. And let's see how much one of these things are actually worth when taken apart. See you in a bit. Hey, so I'm going to do, like I was saying right before I stopped the video, I'm going to do a little number crunching here, see what the value is on all this stuff. So I'll start with the copper bearing motors, so the fans. Don't have much of that. Take this guy out. There you go. So this stuff I usually take to a local place. So we have two fans. We have the GPU fan and the console fan. So we have about 3.7 ounces of this stuff, and I usually get about 12 pounds. 12 cents a pound.